back to my channel. Today we are going to be cutting kinetic sand. So,
My name is not Lexi.
I figured that.
No, I could be wrong. I know I don't like it. I just
Years
can't
ago, I was married to a man named Matthew Walsh.
go there anyways. You need to tell me what's going on.
I was really young when I met him.
Yeah, you go like around that turning curve and you go in.
Back
and you
then,
go-
he was sweet and
It's like two parking lots and then you go up and it's just like,
I didn't
it's
want
like
to
and
date
there's
him.
like a thing where you can park at.
He kept whining and dining me and
It says
hey,
emergency.
it probably was big dreams.
You probably have to go to the further back side on the other side. 'cause I think
those
you're
are
still
all
in front
my
of it.
kinetic sands.
Credit card debt.
Pink.
Yeah, and you can go up the hill or you can go around the
My
hill.
pink.
He just one day made it all go away, and I thought, oh, he's my hero. So stupid. And my parents died. And then
No, I'm listening to
he
you.
was there.
I'm listening to you.
That's in my video.
No, I'm listening to you. She's